Hey, welcome to N Technology. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. It really helps me out and keeps the tutorials coming. All right, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you a working method to get Canva Pro completely free with full access to all the Pro tools, templates, and images. No tricks, no scams, just a simple method that actually works. First, here's a quick look at Canva Pro. As you can see, you get access to all the premium features, from advanced editing tools to thousands of high-quality stock images, video templates, and more. It's perfect for content creators, students, teachers, or anyone who loves design. Now let's get into how to get it for free. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Bingo Tingo. That's Bingotingo. Once you find the official Bingo Tingo website, go ahead and click on it. When you're on the site, scroll all the way down until you see a section called Social Media. Click on the Social Media page. This is important. Now here's the key step. You'll need to stay on that page for at least 55 seconds. Yes, just wait. Don't close it. Don't refresh. Just chill for 55 seconds. This unlocks the access link that gives you free Canva Pro for education. After the timer is done, a download button should appear. Click on it and then click the button that says Get Here. This will redirect you to the Canva website or app where you'll see an option to join team. Click on Join Team and just wait a few moments. And that's it. You're now part of a Canva education team with full Pro access. You'll be able to use all the Pro features, like the background remover, premium templates, stock videos, and even schedule social media posts. To start creating, just click the plus icon and you're all set. Now you can enjoy everything Canva Pro offers, totally free. If this helped you out, please drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to N Technology. I've got more cool tutorials and tech tips coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.